So mostly we finished with the flower composition. Now we need to create environment for this flower. We have moving camera in this scene, and we can take this camera from Maya. But if we open Maya's scene, we see that perspective camera, which is our renderable camera, is under group, which caused some problems when importing it in Adobe After Effects. So we need to create new camera with the same translation and rotation animation, but without any parent. Let's show this camera. Let's duplicate this camera and unparent it. Also, we don't need any extra texture placement. So here is the camera. Let's toggle off smooth mode to scroll animation faster. So here is two our cameras. Let's name new camera After Effects Cam. And we've duplicated this camera at frame 99. So at the frame 99, perspective camera and After Effects camera have the same position and rotation. Let's parent constrain these two cameras to have perspective as parent of After Effects camera. Go to animation menu, select first parent, then child, constrain, parent options. Let's reset settings just in case, and constrain. Now we have parent constraint, which is under After Effects cam, and now After Effects cam moves the same way as perspective camera. But we don't have any animation case for this After Effects camera. Let's create them. Edit, Case, Bake Simulation, Options. Let's reset settings again. Let's select channels in channel box. We need just translation and rotation channels. Set in Bake Simulation Options channels to From Channel box. Time range is set to Time slider. Press Bake. Now this After Effects camera has animation case, and we can delete this parent constraint. We have animated After Effects camera, which moves the same way as the perspective camera. And this new camera is under wall space. And to make 3D edits more easy in After Effects, let's create some reference objects which we will import in After Effects too. Create locator. Let's name this locator Null Center. Let's duplicate this locator and move it down. Now we have two locators. One is in the center and second somewhere in background area. Let's name this locator Null Background. And let's also add locator to the foreground. Again, duplicate this locator and move it up. So that's it, we have three locators. Let's name this foreground locator Null Foreground. And we need to use null prefix in all these objects, for After Effects could import these objects. Let's open Outliner window. Select After Effects camera and select these three objects. File, Export Selection. We need to use it as Maya ASCII file and place this file somewhere in Maya project, maybe in the root of Maya project. Name this file After Effects camera and press Export Selection. Now we can check this file. So we have three locators and cam. Now let's get back to After Effects, and now we can import this Maya file. Import file. Let's just in case set import file type as Maya scene. Open. Now we have this new composition. If we double click on it, we see our After Effects camera and three null objects which we created in Maya. Let's scale these objects down. And let's rotate them to see 3D space more clearly. Now we can place Orchid composition here. And if we scroll animation, we see that composition camera matches flower animation.